Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our today's GK class. Hope you all are fine. Children, are you ready for our today's GK class? Ready? Now, today we are going to learn about 5 topics. Our first topic, opposites, page number 34. Second topic, rhyming fun, page number 35. Third topic, guess the words, page number 36. Fourth topic, the clever cap seller, page number 37. And the last topic, living or non-living, page number 38. Okay? Now children, all of you please take your page number 34. Look here, our first topic is opposites. Now look here, write the words opposites in meaning to the pictures. Choose from the box. Children, here we have to write the opposite words of these words. Okay, we have to choose the words from the box. Firstly, let us read the words given in the box. Okay, look here. Short, hot, slow, hard, dry, sad, small, empty, white. Okay, now look here. What's our first one? In this picture, we can see a jug, isn't it? Yes, the jug filled with water, so it is full. So children, now tell me, what is the opposite word of full? The opposite word of full is empty. What is? Empty. Full. Opposite? Empty. Full. Opposite? Empty. So, here the answer is empty. Okay. Now look here. Here we can see the boy running fast. So, what is the opposite word of fast? Slow. What is? Slow. So, here the answer is slow. Fast, opposite, slow. Okay. Now look here. Here we can see black color. Black. What is the opposite word of black? Yes, white. So, you have to write here white. Okay. Black, opposite, white. Then, look here. What we can see in the fourth picture is a giraffe. Isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, what type of animal is giraffe? Yes, giraffe is a tall animal. Isn't it? Yes. Then tell me, what is the opposite word of tall? Yes, short. What is? Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Tall, opposite, short. So here the answer is short. Okay. The next one. What we can see here is a teddy bear. Isn't it? Yes. Do you like it? Yes, I know. Now tell me, how is the teddy bear? When you touch it, what do you feel? Yes, it is soft. Isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, what is the opposite word of soft? Yes, hard. Soft, opposite, hard. H-A-R-D. Hard. Okay. Soft, opposite, hard. Then, sixth one. What we can see here? Yes, a washed cloth. Isn't it? Yes, the cloth is washed, so it is wet. Look here, it is wet. Do you know what is the opposite word of wet? The opposite word of wet is dry. What is? Dry. Wet, opposite, dry. Wet, opposite, dry. D-R-Y. Okay, then next one. Here we can see the boy is happy. Look here. The boy is happy. So the word is happy. Now tell me, what is the opposite word of happy? Yes, opposite word of happy is, what is? S-A-D, sad. Happy, opposite, sad. Happy, opposite, sad. Okay, so you have to write here S-A-D, sad. Now look here. Wow, here we can see an elephant, isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, what type of animal is elephant? Yes, elephant is a big animal, isn't it? Yes. So the word is big. Now tell me, what is the opposite word of big? Yes, small. What is? Big opposite small. S-M-A-L-L. So here the answer is small. Okay, so you have to write here small. Okay, the next one. Here we can see ice cubes, isn't it? How do you feel when you touch the ice cubes? Yes, you feel cold, isn't it? Yes. So here the word is cold. Then tell me, what is the opposite word of cold? Yes, of course, hot. H-O-T, hot. So here the answer is, what is hot. So you have to write here H-O-T, hot. Okay. So children, let us read the opposite words once again. All of you please listen. Full, opposite empty. Fast, opposite slow. Black, opposite white. Tall, opposite short. Soft, opposite hard. Wet, opposite dry. Happy, opposite sad. Big, opposite small. Cold, opposite hot. Okay. Children, let us move on next page. Page number 35. Look here. Here the topic is rhyming fun. What is? Our second topic, rhyming fun. Okay. Here in this topic we will learn about the words that are rhyming. Now look here. Who are we? Fill in the blanks. Who are we? Then fill in the blanks. Okay. Here we have to read the sentences and according to it we have to write similar words on the words which are rhyming. Okay. Now look here. My name rhymes with funny. I am. Who is this? Yes, this is a rabbit. His name is Bunny. My name rhymes with funny. Funny, bunny. Isn't it? Yes. So here the answer, Bunny. My name rhymes with funny. I am Bunny. Funny, bunny. Okay. Now look here. Our first one. I rhyme with bust. I am the direction. Children, what is this? Yes, this is direction indicator. Now tell me, what is similar to the word bust? Bust, west, W-E-S-T, west. Bust, west. I rhyme with bust. I am the direction west. Okay, then I rhyme with a hug. I am a plastic. Look here. What is this? Yes, this is mug. I rhyme with a hug. I am a plastic mug. So we will write here mug. Okay? As mug rhyme with a hug. Hug, mug. These are rhyming words. Isn't it? Yes. Then next one. Third one. I rhyme with a throw. I am a bird called. Look here. Who's this? Yes, this is crow. I rhyme with a throw. I am a bird called crow. Throw, crow. Isn't it? Yes. Then I am rhyme with a sack. I am the color. You have to write here. Then I rhyme with a badge. I am a mouse hunting. What is this? Yes, you have to write here. Okay? Badge. Then, okay. Then next one. Sixth one. I rhyme with a half. I am a cow's dash. Tell me, what is the young one of cow? Yes, calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. I rhyme with half. I am a cow's calf. Okay? So you have to write here calf. Calf rhyme with half. Isn't it? Half, calf. Am I correct? Yes. The next one. I rhyme with man. I am a cooling. What is this? Yes. So you have to write here. Okay. Then I rhyme with log. I am a croaking dash. I rhyme with log. I am a croaking. What is croaking? Croaking means the sound which makes. Who is this? Yes. So you have to write here its name. Okay? Log. You have to write yourself. Okay? Now, all of you please listen once again. Rhyming words. Burst, worst. Hug, mug. Throw, crow. Sack, black. Bat, yes, cat. Half, calf. Man, yes, fan. Log, frog. Okay. Children, now take your next page, page number 36. Guess the words. Okay, look here. Color the answered butterflies with the color of the clue butterflies. What is? Color the answer butterflies. Look here. These are the answer butterflies. So, color the answer butterflies with the color of the clue butterflies. Okay? The first one has been done for you. First one is done for you. So, children, here what we have to do is we have to color the outside butterflies according to the inside butterflies. Okay? So let us read the options and color the butterflies according to the options. Okay? First one is done for you. What is? You wear these on your hands. Children, what do you wear on your hands? Do you know? Yes, gloves. So, the butterfly in which the gloves is written, it is colored orange. Isn't it? Yes. Now look here. Second question. A sheep's baby. Second butterfly is in pink color. Isn't it? Yes. Question. A sheep's baby. Children, what is a sheep's baby called? Yes, it is lamb. Okay. So you have to color it pink. Okay. Then third one. A cat's baby. Tell me, what is a cat's baby called? Yes, kitten. What is? Kitten. So you have to color it blue. Okay. Like this, all of you try to do rest of this. Look here. Fourth one. Someone who flies an aeroplane. Someone who flies an aeroplane. Then opposite of question. What is opposite of question? Yes. Question, opposite, answer. Sixth one, the king of the jungle. Who is the king of the jungle? Yes, lion. Then, seventh question, opposite of small. Small opposite? Yes. Then, eighth question, a doctor who looks after your teeth. A doctor who looks after your teeth. Who is? Is dentist. Okay, so like this, all of you try to color the outside butterflies according to the inside butterflies. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, children, let us move on next topic. Our next topic is the clever cap seller. Children, look here. Read the story of the cap seller and the monkeys on page number 52. Then number the pictures in the correct order. Okay? Once again, read the story of the cap seller and the monkeys on page number 52. Then number the pictures in the correct order. Okay? So children, for reading the story of clever cap seller, all of you take your page number 52. First, we will read the story. Okay. Children, look here. Page number 52. The clever cap seller. Look here. Once there was a cap seller. He went from one town to another, selling caps. One day, he had to pass through a forest. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. It was very hot. He put down his basket of caps under a tree and went off to sleep. When he got up, all his caps were missing. He looked around and heard some noise. He looked up and saw that some monkeys were wearing his caps. The cap seller yelled at the monkeys. The monkeys made faces at him. Then the cap seller had an idea. He took off his cap and threw it on the ground. The monkeys copied him. They too threw the caps on the ground. The cap seller quickly collected all the caps and went away happily. So children, now we know the story of the cap seller, isn't it? So let us number the picture in the correct order. Look here. First one is already done for you. That is, the cap seller went to the forest. Isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, which is the second event? Yes, as it was very hot, he went to sleep under a tree. This is the second picture. Isn't it? Yes. Then third event. When he was sleeping, the monkeys took all his cap. Then fourth one, the cap seller shouted. Here, the cap seller shouted the monkeys. And which is the next one? The cap seller threw his cap on the ground. Even the monkeys threw the caps down. Isn't it? Yes. Then, which is the last event? Yes, cap seller got all his cap and he went back with happily. Isn't it? So children, all of you try to number the pictures in the correct order like this. Okay. Children, this is our last topic, living or non-living. Bunny wants to play with Jumbo. Help him find a path by tracing it to all the living things. Children, Bunny, that is rabbit. He wants to play with Jumbo, that is elephant. Isn't it? Yes. So help him find a path by tracing it to all the living things. Okay? So children, all of you please try to do yourself. Okay? Now look here. Write the names of the living things Bunny found on his way. Write the names of the living things Bunny found on his way. Which are they? First one, bird. Then boy, tortoise, plant, baby. So like this, all of you write here. Okay? Then tell Joe more. What is it? Make a list of 5 living things and 5 non-living things around you. Exchange your list with your partner. Did you both write the same names? So children, what you have to do here is you have to write the names of 5 living things and 5 non-living things in your notebook. Okay? I hope everyone understood our today's class very well. Now all of you please do your activities very well. Okay? Now we go to wind up our today's class. We will meet again on next GK class. Till that time, my dear students, all of you please stay at home and stay safely. Okay? Then, bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.